The St. Claret Seminary, Umsning, marked the culmination of its Silver Jubilee celebration today, reflecting the remarkable journey since its establishment in 1998. The celebration included a solemn Holy Mass and various other programs. Bishop Wilbert Marwen of the Nongstoin Diocese, who was the chief guest on the occasion, urged the community to continue their spiritual service to the Church and collaborate for the upliftment of society and the community at large. Established in 1998, St. Claret Seminary has consistently served as an institution dedicated to training the youth for priesthood.
As we work for the mission of God, let us build together and work together for the growth of the Church, for the diocese, and for the whole world. Let us pray especially for the peace in the world, especially what we are looking and seeing now. There's a problem and a war all over. Let's pray. Let us continue to grow together and stand together in the Lord. May the Lord unite us and be strong in our vocation, in our service to the Church, to the society.